Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video we are going to see about the set data structures packing and unpacking. So far I have discussed about the packing and unpacking in the tuple, list and string. Okay. This video we are going to see about the same packing and unpacking in the set. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. See, the first one is set packing. It's also same as the previous one. It's nothing but the process of packing the multiple various variables into a single place. The difference is surrounded by the curly braces. Okay, it's called set packing. We are grouping the multiple variables into a single place. That's called set packing. Let's see an example. Okay, I'm just taking the multiple variables with values equal to true, b equal to Django, c equal to Python, t equal to 1, equal to 20. Okay, these are all the multiple variables, but I want to pack this all the variables into a single place. It's called the set 1. I want to grouping all the elements into set 1 using the curly braces a, b, c, d, e. Okay, then I want to print the set 1 elements. See, I have taken the 5 elements, but here only 4 element has come. Why? Because in Python true is equal to 1 and 1 is equal to true. So both values are considered as the same. So it does not, the set does not allow the duplication elements, I mean duplicate elements. So 1 and true both are same, so it does not allow the both and 1 at a single time, 1 and true at a single time. So they are repeated, that means the duplicate values are not allowed inside the set, so the 1 doesn't come. I want to pack the same elements D, E, B, A, C. Then see, in this case the true is not come, only the 1 has come. Okay, so duplicate element, the set does not allow the duplicate element, that's why only 4 element has come. Okay, the next one, set unpacking. Okay, is nothing but the above cases we are grouping all the elements. In this case we are retrieving the group of elements into a single values, that means we are unpacked. Okay, the process of retrieving all the elements of a set into different variables. Okay, it's called set packing. The process of retrieving all elements of set into and different variables dynamically, it's called set unpacking. But the one condition is here, the number of variables and the number of set elements must be same, then only we can able to packing the elements, otherwise we can't unpack. So then why, that's why we can unpack the elements. Okay, consider if you want to unpack the 10 biscuits into different packets, but the we need the 10 packets. Okay, if you want to unpack the 10 biscuits, we need 10 baskets or packets or polythene covers, like that. Okay, so that's the same case here. If you want to unpack the set of elements, the variables and the number of set elements must be same, then only we can unpack the elements, otherwise it will throw an error. Okay, I am taking the set 3. One, Python 20, then Django. Here I have taken the 4 values, so I have to initialize the 4 variables, 4 elements, so I need the 4 variables m, n, o, p. Okay, set 3. So print of Python has unpacked okay. The element Python has unpacked into that variable m, and the element 1 into n, 20 into o, and Django into p. Okay, that's why I have unpacked all the set elements into that variables. Initially have taken the 4 elements, so I have initialized the 4 variables. But if you are trying to unpack the elements with unmatched variables and element type, it will throws an error. Okay, that I will show you. M, n, o equal to set 1. Set 1. See, the error, value error, too many values to unpack, unexpected 3. Okay, the set 1, the set 1 have taken set 1, I have taken the 5 elements. Okay, 4 elements. So after the duplicate elimination, have taken the set 1 contains the 4 variables, 4 elements. So but here I have taken only 3 variables to unpack, so it throws an error, value error, too many values to unpack. Okay friends, that's it today. If you have any doubt, just leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video to all your friends. Okay friends, thank you.